Dear viewers, welcome to our channel Tamil Padikalam. Learn to read and write Tamil. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so as to receive notifications on further uploads. Also, like and share our videos for support. உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துகள், live body letters. Now let us learn the format or template in which the live body letters are formed. Most of the letter formations can be applied to all consonants that we are going to learn henceforth. We start with it. When it combines with the vowel a, we get ta. உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து ta. Similarly, it plus a is ta. It plus e is t. It plus e is t. It plus u is do. It plus u is to. It plus a is te. It plus a is te. It plus I is tie. It plus o is to. It plus o is to. And it plus ow is tau. Now, how do we get the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து ta? Just drop the dot over the consonant it. So this gives us ta. Similarly, to get ta, we drop the dot and துணைக்கால் is suffixed to ta. To get T, we start with the ta, and a hook-like symbol is starting from the middle of the horizontal line, goes up and comes down. This is T. For T, it is similar to T. Only thing is, instead of going downwards, it curls at the top itself with a circular ending, small circular ending. 2, the horizontal line also dropped. Then from the middle of the vertical line, a curve starts, goes upwards, a circular curve. For 2, it is the same as 2 with a circular ending, small circular ending at the tip. For te, we have ta prefixed with ஒற்றை கொம்பு. How to write ஒற்றை கொம்பு we will read later. For te, we have ta prefixed with இரட்டை கொம்பு. For writing this இரட்டை கொம்பு also we will learn later. For tai, we have ta prefixed with இரட்டை சுழி. For to, ta is prefixed with ஒற்றை கொம்பு and suffixed with துணைக்கால். For to, we have ta prefixed with இரட்டை கொம்பு and suffixed with துணைக்கால். For tau, ta is prefixed with ஒற்றை கொம்பு and suffixed with the la letter. How to write this துணைக்கால்? We have a vertical line, then a horizontal line at the top and another vertical line going downwards. So this is துணைக்கால், something like a inverted tin. For ஒற்றை கொம்பு, we start with a small circle, then the arc going upwards, then again going downwards. So this is ஒற்றை கொம்பு. For இரட்டை கொம்பு, we start with a small circle and draw a semicircle, then again a small circle ending. So this is இரட்டை கொம்பு. Now how to write this இரட்டை சுழி? We have a small circle and then a circular arc going upwards, then forms a loop, then again goes upwards, then again the curve ends. So this is இரட்டை சுழி. It is as if there are two zeros there, so it is called இரட்டை சுழி. Then for la, this is a consonant and it is used here to serve some other purpose. we start with a small circle, a circular arc going upwards, then a vertical line downwards, then from the top another horizontal line, then a vertical line. So this is law. Now we have the Uyirmai Eluthugal for the 5 consonants which we have already learnt in our previous videos. The 5 consonants are it, ip, im and il. We see when it combined with the vowel a, the dot is dropped. When they combine with the vowel a, the tunaikal is suffixed to the letters. For e, we have this hook-like symbol, and for e, we have again a hook-like symbol with a circular ending. For u, it slightly differs from one consonant to another consonant. For it and il, they are the same, that is, we have a circular arc. But for ip, we have the vertical line extended a little below the line. For mu, we have another circular arc going upwards. So for u and wu, the template is slightly different, which we will consolidate at the end of after learning all the consonants. When they combine with a, we see the Ottrai Kombu is prefixed. For a, the Irattai Kombu is prefixed. For I, the Irattai Chuli is prefixed. For O, Ottrai Kombu is prefixed and Tunaikal is suffixed. For O, Irattai Kombu is prefixed and Tunaikal is suffixed. For Au, Ottrai Kombu is prefixed and the letter La is suffixed. So now we have these templates for the consonants it, ip, im, il combining with the vowels. The same templates will be applicable to other consonants also, except of course for u and wu, that we will deal separately for each consonant, but for other vowels the templates will be used. Concept conceived and presented by Professor A. Muttarasu. Design and editing by my daughter Nandini Arasi. Thank you. Nandri.